Myself Aisha.
Myself Ismail.
Myself Amulya.
Let's begin. In this project, we show how to generate electricity by waste material is successful, and we show how to control pollution by pollution control filter. In this project, we show
Because of this project, 1250 budget of land, it's saving from storage and the wastage. It's complicated to thermal power. It's so pollution of 0.5%.
So that the project is best for showing and working. How is the generating waste material electricity is called?
My topic name is LCD stand. About
solar panels, these are, it goes to like electricity by the heat from waste. By the waste. Glad to know.
So naturally
Free
it is
energy.
happening
Yes,
in
yes.
the sun.
Yes, yeah.
But the waste burning is good or bad?
Good or bad?
Burning waste. Yeah, bad.
Say louder. Your answer is correct. Say louder.
It's one advantage, but pollution is another.
Advantages and disadvantages are there always for everything.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shadan Sharif.
My name is Ashi.
My name is Zain.
My name is Mehrab.
We have created this drone with the help of our group members and teachers' guidance. What is a drone?
An unnamed aerial vehicle, commonly known as drone. It is an aircraft without any pilot or passenger on board. It was introduced in 20th century for military application. It is also used in non-military applications such as aerial weaving, drone race, entertainment, etc.
Drones delivery offers the potential for significantly faster delivery times compared with traditional ground or air methods. Police can use drones for rescue, traffic monitoring, and application search.
Drone provide a safe approach to check areas or equipment. Constructing is another field that drones are also used. Drones are also used in nighttime displays like artistics and advertisement.
Drones are used in agriculture. Drones are used for search and use because they are small in size. Drones are used to take aerial photos and videos.
Because yesterday what we did was walking.
This part.
Yesterday evening it came up and went down. But now again
It can move up to 2 meters.
नबी के सहाबा के रास्ते पे चल के दिलों का सुकून हमने हासिल किया है। लगाए नशा जब से जन्नत का हमको उठा तब नजीस जहां से हुआ है। ताइफ की वादी में ताका के बात हमारे लिए जो तड़पता रहा था। वो ताइफ की वादी में ताका के बात हमारे लिए जो तड़पता रहा था। उसी के तरीके तो पैरों से रोंदा। जरा खुद बताओ ये कैसी वफा है। नबी के सहाबा के रास्ते पे चल के दिलों का सुकून हमने हासिल किया है। लगा है नशा जब से जन्नत का हमको उठा तब नजीस जहां से हुआ है। वो मौत है दोस्त तो जिसकी खातिर नबी ने भी मांगी थी रब से दुआएं। ये वो मौत है दोस्त तो जिसकी खातिर नबी ने भी मांगी थी रब से दुआएं। लगाया न होठों पे आलम न कटना खुदा की कसम वो अमर हो गया है। नबी के सहाबा के रास्ते पे चल के दिलों का सुकून हमने हासिल किया है। लगा है नशा जब से जन्नत का हमको उठा तब नजीस जहां से हुआ है। Of this lucky school from nursery, primary and high school, especially Anwar Ahmad family, they have given me a good opportunity to come here and to participate in the Sidestep Carnival Festival.
I am really happy and proud, and I am really honored in this occasion to inaugurate some of the best science tech experiments we have conducted, and I have also learned a lot. Since there is a short of time, I may not take more time. See, this is a place, this lucky school started from scratch. It was perhaps an empty space. Same time I started my practice in Emar Mohammed Kunara Clinic 40 years ago. This is how an institution has grown up. Now they have got about 500 students with a high school. Hope they will come up with colleges in future, no doubt about it, because this Munir is a principal who is dedicated for education. I really appreciate and thank her. Coming to this technology which is advancing nowadays rapidly, coming from internet to smartphones and artificial intelligence, this has transformed the education system in the schools. Today I have learned so much. This has shifted from the original conventional classroom teaching to the outside and experiments and labs and whatnot. So this is how one should learn from this advanced technology. So now there is a time that teachers has to be trained, they have to be updated regarding the new technology. I heard in some of the schools there are already artificial intelligence robots teaching in the schools. So this technology, so there may not be required the teachers in future in some of the schools, but this will never happen. Nobody can replace teachers or doctors. Human intelligence is always there. It is the prime. That is, one cannot be beyond the human intelligence. So whatever the artificial intelligence is there, it is subordinate. Then only we can do whatever we want, teach AI, and we can learn better. Once they go beyond that, if we are the servants of artificial intelligence, that causes lot of problem. So also this advanced technology, if it is managed effectively within its limits, it is excellent. Now the students also may take disadvantage of this. You take for example the internet, smartphones, now AI is coming up, that can mislead, and some of the children invest more time, give up studying, and that causes lot of problem. In fact, the artificial intelligence and the smartphones are causing addiction. You may not be knowing, people just like taking or smoking or alcohol, there is addiction for the internet, smartphones. You know, there is a clinic already running in the mass. Students are going there getting admitted for treat the addiction due to smartphones. This is the technology. We should control ourselves. There is a limit. The other thing, this Principal Munir is giving a lot of interest, but they should not give up the proper teaching of writing, reading, and I hope they have got a good library here, and see that students will go and sit at least half an hour, 3 times a day, and stay in the library. That is more important for the students, along with this learning from high technology. With this I conclude. I thank all the students participated in the Science Tech program. They have done very well. I will wish them all and good future and let them come up in life. Thank you very much. Actually, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾವು 2000 ತುಂಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳೇ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಸಂತೋಷದ ಕ್ಷಣ. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತವಾದ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾರಣಾದಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಏಜಿಂದಲೇ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿನ ಬುನಾದಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ತಗೋಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಭಾವನೆ, ಒಂದು ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಈ ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ಸಿರಿ ಏನೋ ಆ ಮಗುವಿನ ಚಿಗುರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳುಗಳು ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಒಂದು ಇನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿನ ಇವತ್ತು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಮುಂದೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಲಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ನೆನಪುಗಳು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿನ ತೋರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಒಂದು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅವರಿಗೆ ದಾರಿದೀಪ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಆಶಿಸ್ತಾ, ಹಳೆದೇರು ಹೊಸ ಚಿಗುರು ಕೂಡಿಯನ್ನು ಮರೆಸಿರುವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಹಳೆಯ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಹಳೆಯ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಇವರು ಏನು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೋ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳಗಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಶೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರೆದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಲು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕ ಶಾಲಾ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡಳಿತ ವರ್ಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. I think all the students of 10th standards are available here. I really thankful Mr. Dr. Rajendra, a senior pediatrician. I am very thankful to Mr. Ganesh, Sadan and Anvala. And I am really thankful to my husband and backbone of my life. And I am really thankful to my daughter Nuru Sabha here and Noor Kausar, our headmistress. And really she is very helpful, and our beloved all the staff here. The whole staff of Lucky School, they have put full efforts to make this function success. I am very thankful to everyone of my staff. So thank you Allah, and thank you everyone, and thank you those who all have supported us, and my dear parents, everyone here. I am really thankful to everybody here. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Ma'am, can you tell me about this one?
Sir, especially Munira ma'am got this award, I mean our founders, because of her, she has done so much for the society, sir. She is, whatever she is doing here, this is all for society.
Yes, ma'am.
And she is very energetic woman, and she is the inspiration for all the women. And I'm really very glad that I'm working with her, and she guides me each and everything, and she treats me like I'm her own family, and I'm really very grateful.
Can you introduce yourself?
Myself is Sabha. Yeah, I'm a headmistress.
Since how many years?
Lucky School.
From 1 year.
Thank you.
Yeah. And one more thing, I want to thankful to Nuru Sabha ma'am. She is the one who is guiding me each and everything. And I'm thank you so much,
mother,
ma'am.
like you feel, ma'am?
Like for what?
Ma'am, you are getting this much awards and all. This is not this one. From so many years you are doing dedication.
Yes, of course. This is going on since Silver Jubilee.
Yes.
This is not first time. We are getting more and more awards every 5 years.
Yes,
From Silver Jubilee, it is already 25 years back that we have started the school as a founder secretary. I am really happy. Actually, only one thing I can say, I just want to explore the knowledge.
Yes.
What I have, I just want to share with everybody. That is the only aim and goal of me. That is only main thing I can say.
Yes.
What is your main motive, ma'am?
I just want to make a good production of Indian citizens. That is what my main goal. I am proud of India. Being Indian, I have the good production in my school. Tomorrow citizens of India are in our school. That is very important.
What about this overall performance about the students?
Yes, every year we are getting 98%, 95%, 100% sometimes. This is going on. Changes will come like night and day. Up and downs are there.
Thank you so much. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಹೌದು, ನಮ್ಮ LKG ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ABCDನೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಲರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ NR ಮೂಲ. ಹೌದು.
So you are totally satisfied?
Satisfied.
Thank you.
Okay.
My name is Chaitra. My child LKG, studying in LKG. Okay.
Today today science expo is there. So your son also participated.
Participate. Manvit Arya P.
So
Okay.
if I ask about this lucky school, in 2 words, what do you want to say?
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬೇಗ ಪಿಕಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ
ಪಿಕಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದೆ
ಇದೆ ಮನೇಲೇನು ಲರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದೇ ಅವನು ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಪಿಕಪ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಯಾವ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ತಾವು?
राजेंद्र नगर केसरी.
थैंक यू जी मैडम, आपका नाम बताइए मैडम.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम नफीस फातिमा. मेरा पोतरा है जुहेब खान, 3rd स्टैंडर्ड LKG से 3rd स्टैंडर्ड पढ़े की. लकी स्कूल में हर चीज़ में भी हर एक सब्जेक्ट्स रहंदे, हर एक पार्टिसिपेट रहंदे, फैंसी ड्रेस रहंदे, 26 जनवरी का इंडिपेंडेंस डे रहंदे, अगस्त 16 हर एक पार्टिसिपेंट भी हर एक कार्यक्रम भी यहाँ अच्छा चलता है. बच्चे हमको बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट्स कर रही हैं कि टीचर्स हमें क्या भी घर में बोल को दिए जैसा नहीं. स्कूल में तो सुबह के 9:30 बजे से 4 तक स्कूल रहती है, उसमें बच्चे अच्छा इम्प्रूव हो रही. आज रोबोटिक्स के बारे में जो एक्सप्लेन करी वो बहुत अच्छा पसंद आया हमने. हमारे भी पोतरे को हाउ डज द क्या वो करंट बल्ब के बारे में एक्सपेरिमेंट था, वो बच्चा अच्छा इम्प्रूव करके टीचर्स के हिसाब से वो इम्प्रूव करके ही पूरा बच्चा बोलिया. बहुत पसंद आते हमें स्कूल का रूल्स, यहाँ के टीचर्स, हेड मिस मुनीरा मैम, अच्छा मैम का मालूम नहीं नाम तुम्हारा, सबा मैम, पूरे टीचर्स अच्छा बच्चों को कोऑपरेट करती हैं. बहुत खुशी होती है हमना ये सभी बच्चों को ऐसा इम्प्रूवमेंट्स करती हैं. सो बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. स्कूल बहुत अच्छी है, यहाँ एजुकेशन रहते, पार्टिसिपेंट रहते, जो भी रहते हैं अच्छा चलता है.
मुनीरा मैम को उनकी जो खिदमत थी उनको लेकर कई अवार्ड्स मिले. आज मैं उनको पूछा,
मुनीरा मैम की तो बहुत मेहनत है 25-30 साल से. मुनीरा मैम की यहाँ ज़्यादातर मेहनत उनके इम्प्रूवमेंट से टीचर्स को भी साथ ऐसा लेको स्टूडेंट्स को लेको एक वर्क जो कर रही वो बहुत पसंद आता हमना स्कूल में.
Good afternoon. My name is Shadan Sharif.
Myself Nur Mohammed.
And an automated toll gate vehicle passing system aims on eliminating delay on toll gates and collecting tolls with the help of RFID technology. Its aim is to prevent the time consumption and traffic congestion on toll gates.
The IoT allows objects to be sensed or controlled remotely across existing network infrastructure, creating opportunities for more direct integration in physical world into computer-based system, resulting in improved efficiency and accuracy. In addition to that, it reduces human intervention.
Okay, if you ask about your future, what do you want to be in future?
IAS officer.
Doctor.
Congratulations.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon everyone. Myself Vinay. I am studying 7th standard. Our project is wind electricity.
Wind power street light rescueless made drums are more durable. The street light the power through the use of wind turbines.
The wind electricity is concept with the solar electricity advantage because it is a cost-effective way to meet the energy needs. This project saves generation cost and will effective through the generation of the solar panels, and it will be used to reduce the rural areas and movement of electricity.
What is the importance of electricity?
It will be reduced to our life to read, write, etc.
Automatic watering system in plant. So when the drying of the water, it will just pour out the water from the plants.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Kulsum. I am studying in 6th grade. My model name is escalator, and as human beings are using staircase to climb the step, it will take time and physically they are hurt. So an escalator is a type of vertical transportation in form of a moving staircase which carries people between floors and buildings. It consists of a motor driven chain of individually linked strap on track which single on a plate of track which keep them horizontal. Thank you. everyone, my name is Manya. I am studying in 6th standard. My modern name is escalator. Escalator are used around the world in place. Elevator would be in particles. Principal area of usage include department store, shopping mall, airport, transit. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Dekshit. I am studying in grade 1. Today I am presenting a model of computer network. A model of computer network defined as a collection of computer connected, share data and application. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Muhammad Arif and I am studying in grade 1. Today I am presenting a model of kaleidoscope. What is kaleidoscope and how it is worked? Now I am explaining a kaleidoscope, how it is worked. Three mirrors placed to move from multiples. Thank you. Today I am presenting a model of LED. Low LED with buttons. There are two left is electricity. Long is positive, short is negative. Morning everyone, my name is Fatima Tuzara. I am studying in grade 2. I am from Lucky School. My model name is buzzer. The water level indicate buzzer. The water level indicate give us an alarm when the tank is full. If the water is not tested to the negative of the buzzer because it is half filled. Thank you. Salt water is better than normal water. If we add the salt water to the normal water, buzzer start buzzing. Thank you. I am from Lucky School. My model name is table fan. The main purpose of a table fan is to cool down the temperature of surrounding for proper ventilation. Thank you. Fan convert electrical energy into kinetical energy through the electrical motor. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Shadaba Masharif. I am studying in 5th grade. I am Said presenting a hypnotize wheel. Hypnotize means to put somebody into an unconscious state where the person's mind and actions can be controlled. Thank you.